Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aurer Rifani Sofia. You can call me Aurer or AO. And I am 21086336. I'm from the Sport Education Department. I will report the progress of my video program, which I will produce later. Maybe here I will choose the title about badminton. Here I will explain the various types of service and technique. Maybe in the video later, I will demonstrate how to serve and technique in badminton correctly. At this time, the development of my video excitement is still in the introductory stage, and maybe next I will continue to the main point. Okay, here I will continue my project. The history of badminton development in ancient HP around 2000 years ago, but is also mentioned in India and the People Republic China. Its earliest ancestor is thought to be a Chinese game, Jianzi, which involves the use of assault of a shuttle but without a racket. Instead, the object is manipulated with the feet. The object mission of this game is to keep the shuttlecock from touching the ground as long as possible without using your hands. In England, since medieval time children's game called battledores and shuttlecock have been very popular. Children at the time would usually use paddle sticks and work together to keep the shuttlecock in the air and prevent it from touching the ground. It was popular enough to become a daily feature on the stage of London in 1854 when Punch magazine published a cartoon for this. In the history of badminton, the British brought the game to Japan, the People Republics of China, and Siam, Thailand, while the colonized Asia. The soon became a children's game in their local area. The competitive sport of badminton was created by British Army officers in Pune, India in the 19th century when they added a net and played it competitively. Since the city of Pune was previously known as Pona. The game was also known as Pona at the time. Soldiers brought the game back to England in the 1950. The sport got its current name in 1963 in a pamphlet by Isaacs in English to Delir, entitled Badminton but later a new game. It depicts a game played at Badminton House, the Duke of Beaufort Estates in Gloucestershire, England. The first basic rules in badminton history were written by the Badminton Club in 1917. English Badminton Association was formed in 1893 and its first international competition was held in 1999 with the All England Championship. Badminton has now become a sport that is quite popular in the world, especially in East and Southeast Asia, where this sport currently dominates, as well as in Scandinavian countries. Get to know two types of badminton service, not just one. You can do many types of movements when serving badminton. You know what's going. I'm delicately find out the various badminton service below. 1. Racket holding technique. Grip. The basic badminton technique that you must first master is how to hold the racket, because this should not be done carelessly. Hello. Okay. After the first technique, now the second is the service technique. This is the correct way to hold a racket. Everyone can see it in the video. If you hold the racket incorrectly, player will then to serve. The next basic badminton technique, the must be mastered, is serving off hitting the shuttlecock. Furthermore, this is an example of a service technique, namely the short service. Okay, next service technique. There are two types of service, namely top service and bottom service. First, I will give an example of the bottom service. And this is example service lower. Next, number 3, body position. The correct body position will determine how you play badminton, because if your body position is correct, playing badminton will become easier and more skillful. The point is that in the game of badminton, the ideal body position to start the service is leaning forward and one leg takes a step forward. Smash. Have you ever seen a badminton? Lob shot technique. The lob is a basic badminton technique with the aim of lifting or throwing the shuttle towards the opponent. Netting is a basic badminton technique that is not easy to do because it requires precision, speed, and okay. Well, for this meeting, I didn't explain much about the progress of my video because I already explained the contents of my project progress in the previous meeting. Here, I will convey a little about the final result of the progress of my project regarding badminton technique. Maybe here I will demonstrate a little about how to do badminton technique correctly. After that, I will convey a little evolution about the game in a badminton and continue with the closing. That's all the progress of my project video, and for the next time, maybe just watch my full project video. Okay, thanks all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.